Hello everybody, welcome back to the EasyLoc Hair Tool channel. And I am watching something really exciting. I'm in a salon in Ocala, Florida, and I'm watching the EasyLoc Hair Tool being used to install a weft. So Gloria, tell us what you're doing.
Right now I have two tracks, they're doubled. The net was sewn on with the EasyLoc tool. Right now I'm going through the net as well as the braid up underneath. And it's pretty much easy. And I'm gonna tell you, I never ever use a curved needle, a round needle. I always use straight needles. But this is amazing. My client, she has not been stuck, not once. But I guess I can stick her right now. Does that hurt, Colleen?
No, that feels like you're touching with your finger.
Yeah. It's soft, it's pliable, it's flexible. I mean, I like it.
Awesome.
If you don't have one, trust me, you will get one.
Well, there you have it, everybody. So, the EasyLoc Hair Tool does more than just locks. I am just so excited to see this. So don't forget, get yours today. Go to EasyLocHairTool.com. Pick up your EasyLoc Hair Tool. It has multiple uses. If you are a salon professional, you're going to want to have this.